Hello, students. Today I want to introduce you all to MyFitnessPal. It's an excellent tool to use when calculating either exercise calories or calories ingested through food. Uh, as you all might know, my name is Coach Walker. Your physical education and fitness instructor. So, when it comes to putting together an exercise plan, this tool can help you out tremendously because it breaks down the calories burned through the exercise. So, for example, if you were looking at a basketball game specifically, you could just add your weight here and it will show how much, how many calories were burned at the end of the workout. So, let's say you're at 165. You play for 60 minutes, you can burn up to 598 total calories.